you can't find something for that much. You won't find something for that much. So I was just typing a message. My brother and I were talking, and he was saying that he's looking for this thing for £150. And £150 is so cheap. I don't think that he'll find something for that much, right? And I was typing the message back to him, and I was writing, you won't find something for that much, or you'll never find something for that much. That was what was going through my head. And as it was going through my head, I was like, this is a really bad way of thinking, right? Like, I'm trying to impose on someone else what they can and they can't do. And because I'm a recovering control freak, I do this a lot, right? But I wanted to share it with you, because what I did is I caught myself in the act. Like, I was actually reviewing my communication. I was thinking about how I was speaking, what I was saying, right? And I said, rather than me creating a limitation myself and then taking that limitation and then communicating that limitation to someone else and putting it onto them so that it becomes their limitation, let me hold myself back, right? And so then I changed it, and I said, look, it may be difficult to find something like that, right? Which is slightly different, because maybe really it is difficult to find it. And so I'm trying to give him a picture of reality. So it's really like a reminder for myself and for you guys as well, that when it comes to communicating with others, try and be someone who's empowering. Try and be someone that helps them. Try and be someone that actually adds value, even if it's reality, even if it's telling them the truth or showing them the pain or whatever it is. But don't be someone that actually limits other people. Don't be someone who takes your own limitations and put them onto other people. And this is something I do. This is something I'm guilty of. And this is why I kind of made the video, because I wanted you to see that while doing that, while communicating like that, I stopped myself. I deleted the message and I restarted. So I want you to question yourself. Think about, how are you communicating? What is the energy you're bringing to the world? Are you taking your limitations and putting them onto others? Because that's the exact opposite of what we're here to do. As Muslims, we should be empowering ourselves, we should be empowering others, and the way we do that is through our communication. So it's extremely, extremely important that when you're messaging, even though we type out thousands of messages probably a week, it's important for you to look at how are you communicating with people, what are you saying to them, and become someone who is empowering them, of course with a dose of reality, someone who's empowering them, someone that is helping them, someone that's adding value, and really someone whose communication is at that level where it takes other people to the same level. Jazakallah khair for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.